okay, I'm a bargain hunter, as if you've looked at some of my videos you might know that, and I've just bought this item. It came the other day, got it on Amazon. It's a shutter release for the Sony range of cameras, and yeah, there's going to be times when I don't have my phone with me, so and I don't like using the apps all that much, so yeah, I don't need a phone to control the shutter with this item. So what we'll do is we'll move this camera back just a little bit, just like that, so we can get it in the frame, and we'll have a quick look what we get. Now I'm going to tell a lie, I have already opened it, but this is how you're going to get it if you go and buy one. I don't think I'll be having to buy, oh sod that. We're going to go into beast mode. No we don't, we've got it open. Right, so in the box we've got the cable, we've got your remote control, can you see that? Yes we can. And we've got obviously the trigger itself, comes with a typical Chinese manual, as you can see there. Quite explanatory. I mean, you know, the basic and easy yourself anyway, so but yeah, as you can see there, we've got everything, gives you the details of the functions, etc, etc, etc. Obviously you can use the little micro switches to change the channels, and yeah, basically that's it. Right, so first off, yes, we are plastic, but yeah, I mean, you know, I think I'll put the price in the description and a link to it. It'll be to the UK Amazon, but you know, just check yourself anyway on whichever country you're in, if you're watching this outside of the UK, where you can find it, and the price. It wasn't expensive, but yeah, build quality, it's plastic obviously. There's a bit of a brush feeling on there, and yeah, for the price I'm more than happy. And there we go, we've got the little cable as well. Let me just zoom out just a wee bit more. We don't need the box, we'll leave that over there. So it runs on the AAA batteries, 2 in each unit. I've already got 2 in, and like I said, if you look down there, you've got your little micro switches to change the channels if need be. So yeah, we've got power on, and then we get the little red flashing light to show you it's active. Obviously fits on your hot shoe. We've got a camera here ready, let's try this out. So yeah, it just fits on nicely. And that's it, locked in place. Doesn't really add any weight to your camera, so yeah, that's a bonus. And then we've got the, just move that out of the way, we've got the remote control itself. Now the company that makes this, it's Oculus Pixel or something like that. Pixel Oculus wireless remote control, and they've got a website at the back of there. Obviously it's made in China, but apart from that, we'll go through the settings we've got on here. So if we can just see there closely, I'll zoom in a little bit if we can. We've got, you know, standard operation, 1 picture, then we've got the switch to the next one, and that will give you multiple frames, you know, high shutter speed, etc. And then we've got one that goes over to bulb, and then we've got timer. Now obviously I've got batteries in there as well, that's going to give you a little green identification light when you know it's working. And if you look on the receiver part of it, press, we've got the, we're getting something, you can see that anyway. But yeah, it's rated for, let me just have a look, we've got single shooting, continuous shooting like I've just said, bulb shooting, delay shooting, and it's running on the 2.4 gigahertz, and it's roughly, it says it's 100 meters or above in range. So yeah, we'll take that with a pinch of salt. So even if we get 50 meters, you know, that's going to be fine for most people's usage. and it's a 16 channel, so if you're having problems with one of the channels you can move it over to the other. And we'll get on to how we connect it to the camera itself. So it comes with this little cable. We've got the USB-C, is it on, well, the USB sort of micro USB connector on one side, and then obviously this one will go into the receiver itself. Just plugs in the side, nice and easy. Flip the doors open on your camera. Come on, if I had fingernails that'd be a lot easier. There we go. And then we just plug it in there. And that's it, we're ready to rock and roll. So if we switch this on, got any batteries in it? Yes, we've got batteries in it as well. Voila! Working fine. The battery's going to run out on that camera, but yeah, as you can see, it does work. So if you want to change it over to high speed, yeah, you also need to change it on your camera as well. So if we go to that one, stick it on continuous shooting. And then if we put it on that one, bulb, we'd have to go to bulb as well. It's not going to do anything. And, oh no, there we are on continuous shooting, sorry. Alright, knock it off, knock it off, knock it off, knock it off, knock it off. Okay. And then, yeah, we've got timer there, and then that one there is bulb. So, you get the same function as bulb as you would using it manually, pressing the shutter down yourself. But yeah, to sum up on this one, yeah, another cheap item. If you don't like using the wireless app and you want something quick and easy to do some remote trigger functions with your camera, it's the ideal thing to buy. Yeah, okay. So there you go, another basic review from me. If you find this helpful in any way, just give me a like, even sub me. And yeah, there'll be more videos coming soon. Bye.